Today, I'll introduce you to a brand new niche for every video platform. I mean from YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram. This niche is not saturated yet, so I'd recommend just watch this video and give it a try for yourself. You might go viral and make crazy money. This niche are highly effective since every algorithm will see these videos as original. We all seen facts videos on the internet, but these facts videos will be spaced facts. Facts about space and ocean are so engaging because people get hooked on because they want to know what is in the ocean or even space. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on making this space fact niche. Then, in an upcoming video, I'll show you the ocean facts niche. We'll use AI for almost everything today, so here's what I created in this video and let's start.
Ever wonder what happens when you float in space? Astronauts experience weightlessness because there's no gravity pulling them down. It's like a never-ending cosmic roller coaster ride without the tracks.
First, come to chatgpt. We'll ask it to give 5 space facts. Use 5th grade English so everyone can understand. Don't worry, this prompt is in the description, just simply copy it and you'll be good to go. As you can see, ChatGPT provided us with good facts and good hooks. These facts will keep the viewer's attention, and if you're happy with that, now come to 11 Labs for AI voices. This is the best AI voice you can find on the internet. Get a suitable voice, I'll use this one, and paste the facts we got from ChatGPT. Hear it so you will know if there is any error or not. And if you're happy, just download it like I did. We did the easy parts, now the hard ones. Come to ChatGPT again and ask it to provide 5 images prompts to use in the space facts, and the prompts will be used in Leonardo AI for image generation. I'll also put this prompt in the description, you can also just simply copy it. Now come to Leonardo AI and paste one at a time. This process is slow, but it's worth it. Make sure the ratio is 9:16 because we are making YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels. Now the editing. This is the place we'll do everything manually. So focus carefully. Open CapCut and get your images and voice onto the timeline. Cut the audio's empty parts like this and adjust the images 3 to 4 seconds each. We'll add some styles to this. So come to styles and add whatever you like. If you wanna copy mine, I'll use Zoom Pro for this image and this image, and 3D Zoom Pro for these 2 images. I think 3D Zoom Pro looks the best, so I'll use that more. If this is done, now add transitions between the clips to give more attention to the video. I'll use these glitch ones and these laser ones as well. Now we need captions. For captions, come to text and add auto captions. CapCut's these captions are really good and free. There are alternative websites for auto captions that are more beautiful, but all of them are paid. Add a good animation and font like I did, and if you're happy, come to the audio library and search for creepy, intense music because we are talking about space. A lot of people see space as a creepy place and a lot of people see it as an intense area. So we'll use creepy, intense music. These musics are also copyright free. That's why I choose CapCut for the editing. I'd also recommend you to choose CapCut. Choose 1080p 60 fps and export it. That's all for the editing and the video. It's super easy. If you have any types of questions, drop them in the comments and I'll surely help you. Subscribe if this helped and have a good day.